welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you the process of redesigning my humidifier for what feels like the 10th time. I've designed several humidifiers in the past, but none of them have been functional or as durable as I'd hoped. That's why I'm trying something different this time. I found a schematic online and decided to use it as a reference for my own design. The first step was to gather all the necessary parts. Unfortunately, the schematic didn't come with a list of parts, so I had to find everything and copy and paste it into the schematic and replace the corresponding part, which is what I'm doing right now. Once I found all the parts, I focused on creating the PCB. I wanted to create the original board as closely as possible to minimize risk and errors. This way I could better understand how the board works, and it would be easier to copy and paste it into the HydroCube computer file and simply rearrange the components to fit the board. I also made a few design changes to the HydroCube PCB file. I added larger pinholes and placed them differently to make it easier to work with. In future videos, I will be trying to fix the wireless receiver and implement a new design for the Wi-Fi. Hoping that this design will be a success and solve all the issues I've had with previous humidifier designs. Make sure to stay tuned and subscribe to see how it turns out. Thanks for watching. Peace.